project Forests of the Future, it's a forest educational program led by undergraduate students of the forestry course of the University of São Paulo, Brazil, in which these undergraduate students, they receive students from 4 to 10 years old from public schools of the Piracicaba municipality in São Paulo State, Brazil, for practices of forest education.
One of the greatest challenges in forest education is to go beyond solely teaching technical skills to students and transform them in agents of change in a world in transformation, which urgently needs more and better managed forests. Training the new generation of foresters require novel approaches that place students as active agents of education and help developing humanistic competencies as leadership, empathy, and communication. In this context, learning how to teach can be the best way to learn and truly incorporate new worldviews in the forestry sector to maximize its contributions to society. The goal of the Forests of the Future project is to capacitate undergraduate students of forestry of the University of São Paulo as a kind of voluntary work that helps students to complement their academic formation with competencies that can be hardly learned in formal classes. The activity consists of a visit of a group of 20 to 40 children of 4 to 10 years old from public schools of the region to the campus to participate in several educational activities that have as background the value of forests for human well-being. This visit is fully guided by a group of undergraduate students, which conceptualize and perform the educational activities based on an active learning approach and embrace issues like pollution, garbage, water, animals, forest dynamics, forest products, and the importance of tree plantations for society.
So this is what we did in the first 10 years of the project Forests of the Future. We have an ambitious plan for the next 10 years of this project, and we count on the collaboration and participation of all interested people and stakeholders to increase the awareness of society and use our undergraduate students of forestry to be active agents of transformation in a changing world that will require more and better managed forests.